up this morning in a rut. Every month I feel like this. Like, I feel like I need to go the extra mile to pick myself back up so that I don't like fully fall into that rut feeling. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, because I am feeling a 0 out of 10 today. Actually, a negative out of 10. Actually, a negative 1,000 out of 10. And I'm literally not kidding. Like, every month I have to do this because it's just gonna go even more downhill. If you're a girl, then you know what I mean. Like, everything irritates me. Everything is just not feeling the best. I don't feel the best. Like, guys, I just feel gross right now. This just needs to be fixed. How I'm feeling in the inside, I just need to be fixed. Obviously, I'm not gonna be fully fixed, but I can work on myself. So I guess we're just gonna be working on ourselves to get... Oh my gosh. So I guess we're just gonna be working on ourselves together. I don't look terrible. I mean, I do look pretty bad. But guys, look at my room. I was going through my Depop clothes trying to see like what I want to sell, and I just realized that I have to fold all of this. Like, what do you mean? So that's what we're gonna be doing first. Go.
Huh?
Go. I don't know what this girl is on, because she loves to stay on like dirty piles, just a pile of just things. Miss girl. Also, if you're new, this is Mel, and this is our big Winnie dog. Oh, Winnie. And that's our Winnie dog. He just trampled me, guys. Winnie, go. Back. Mel, get off.
Huh?
Winnie, go. Nobody wants to see a big noggin. Also, if you're interested, my Depop will be here on the screen. I try to sell most of my clothes that I just don't use anymore so that somebody else can use it for actual good instead of like just sitting on my closet. So if you're interested, you can go check that out. For the day, and I feel like for a lot of people, including me, it's really hard to actually get ready. I don't know what it is. Like, I love the feeling of being ready, but the getting ready part, it's like I don't know, but I feel like trying to do things to make it more fun, like playing some music, listening to your favorite songs while doing it, it just makes it 10 times better. So that is what I like to do instead of just sitting here in silent while doing the makeup. Like, no. Also, the one thing I love to do is being real with you guys. Like, I feel like there's no point of me being on social media or having a platform if I'm not being real. So I have been breaking out like so bad recently, and it's because of my life choices. Okay, I love sugar. I am a sugar addict. Like, I always need a sweet treat with me. Like, I'm just obsessed. Okay, and consequences, they're getting to me. Like, my skin is not looking the best. I just put some concealer on it, but I will show you guys later when I take off my makeup. But you kind of can see it. It's left a couple marks on my face, and I just want to tell you guys, this is completely normal. Like, it's going to happen. There's going to be times where it's around that month and the skin's gonna look rough. Okay, it happens. So yeah, don't feel like you're alone, because I think the main thing with social media, it's very deceiving, and you think that everybody's living their best life, their skin is like perfect and all this, but there are filters. There was makeup that just completely covered it, and I'm still gonna go in with my Merit concealer stick because that like completely covers it. But I just wanted this to be a reminder to you guys that it's normal. I don't think that everybody's got it together, because your girl hasn't got it together. Also, another tip, if you're like mentally, okay, we're talking about physical, but mentally, if you're really negative and stuff, which I've struggled with a lot in the past, and I feel like this isn't really talked about enough, number one tip I could like give to you guys is whenever you find yourself talking negative, like for example, if you gotta do laundry and then you're just complaining about how much laundry you have to do, think to yourself, like, if you didn't have laundry, you wouldn't have clothes to do. Like, guys, I think we all be forgetting when we're complaining. Like, I know it's a hard task to do sometimes. Like, genuinely, everything is just chaotic in a day. It's exhausting. The last thing you want to do is do your laundry. Okay, that's just an example. A lot of people might not struggle with this, but I think the thing that you can take out of it is just to be grateful at the end of the day, because there's a lot of people that don't have clothes. They can't wash their clothes. So that's also cleaning your room. Like, you have a room. Like, yeah, those are like two really big life tips that's helped me a lot with like my negative talk. Also, this might not help for a lot of people. Like, I know it's hard. Trust me, like, that's really hard sometimes. Like, it's hard to get out of it, but it becomes a habit. habit after you like kind of get yourself to talk in that way, and you'll just feel a lot more comfortable with it, and then you'll be a lot more positive. And obviously you're not gonna be like completely positive, like don't think that's gonna instantly change your life, but it's a slow progress, and progress is key. Like, but yeah, I don't know, I'm not the best at explaining things, so hopefully that made sense. But I saw that quote somewhere about just being grateful when you're complaining about it and seeing the good in it, and it will feel a lot less hard on yourself. So I don't know who needed to hear that today, but I know I did, because I do be complaining sometimes, and it's not easy. Like, it's not easy. I'm not trying to give you guys this tip and it just like be an easy tip that will instantly change your life. It takes time and it takes practice, and it's all a mindset thing, and at the end of the day, a mindset thing is not easy. Whenever I get ready, I don't know how to talk and get ready, so we're kind of like behind, but it's okay. A little update right now, it's 11:36. I want to get out of the house because I feel like whenever I'm in the house I feel in a rut, and I just want to sit on the couch, and I do have things to do, so gotta get out. Guys, it's too hot. It's too hot for this. I'll be fooled with my sweatshirt. I am literally so hot. It's currently 76. It's a little bit better than before where it was like 90 and 100, but I'm so hot. But hey, this sweatshirt is from Dairy Boy. Are you in a rut? Guys, I got the drink. It was a little bit of a hassle because they forgot to put the candy canes on top, which I feel like makes the whole drink, but I'll put the name up here on the screen because it's so long and I'm not gonna remember it. But
cookie, I don't know what it is.
He got like a Christmas cookie one. It has like coffee in it, but I just got a chai. It's actually really good. 10 out of 10 recommend. A lot of people in the comments are saying that it's not even that good, but I honestly like it. It's alright. I'm not a big coffee fan, I don't know why, but I took like the littlest sip too though. Finally back home, and I have a lot of laundry to do, as you guys can tell. It's pretty bad, but I just switched into some sweatpants because I feel a lot more comfier than wearing jean shorts. And guys, I'm just loving the sweatshirt. It's so freaking cute. I'm like going on a trip soon, and of course I'm going to wash it all, but that means I gotta do a lot of laundry, and that means there's time for a big haul because guys, we got a lot. We're going on like a cold winter trip. It's going to be cold, so I tried to get a lot of like long sleeves and that type of stuff. First off, I got this cardigan. Oh, I tried it on. I got this cardigan from TikTok shop, and it's literally so simple but like so cute. I really love it. I tried this on and I'm obsessed with it. You can style cardigans in so many ways, so I got another cardigan, and I saw actually some videos on this cardigan and I thought it was so cute. I got it from Grey Bandit, and one of the girls I saw was like wearing it like this with like a cute little long sleeve or just like a tank top. Like guys, maybe with these shorts that would be so adorable. It's giving all the fall vibes. And I also got the belt to match with it. But guys, you can't tell me the perfect outfit for fall. Got this belt from Princess Polly as well as the shorts a while back now, and I just wanted to wear it with the cardigan. Like I feel like nothing else is gonna make this look good. And then I recently purchased a jean jacket. This one is so cute. It doesn't look the best right now because I have to style it. I also got these pajamas on Amazon because I don't have any Christmas pajamas and I really love them. They're like polka dots. I know everybody loves polka dots right now. I do, and it's super cute. And then I also got this overall, which guys, I was so scared about this because they are so expensive. If you know Free People, you know Free People is expensive. I don't normally shop on there because I try to save my money, but this, I wanted something different. Maybe the last time I wore it was like when I was little, but I think they're so cute for fall season, winter season, and you can wear like a long sleeve. I'll put a picture here when I tried it on, and I feel like it looks so freaking cute. They're like the barrel type of bottoms, so I'm really excited to take this on the trip with. The time now is 4, and I want to do some laundry and also some cleaning around the house. There you go, bestie. Oh, and then I also got this vest looking thing. I've seen it like all over Pinterest, and I got it from TikTok shop, but it's literally such good quality, and I love the brown right now, as you guys can tell. But here's kind of like the inspo of what I'm talking about. If those that don't know, I'm obsessed. I literally have no vest, so I'm so excited. Okay, the next order of business is cleaning this office. Literally deep cleaning it because I have not done that in a while, and I can just see dust everywhere, especially on my vanity, which is not good because I put my makeup brushes on now. Oh. phone. So I'm gonna do that. I got a package today, and guys, I don't know if this is a bad thing or what, but I caved in. I've been seeing these Birkenstock clogs for the longest, and I couldn't decide if I wanted it or not, but I decided clearly. And they came a little messed up right here, but I think after wearing it in a while, it'll probably be fine. But yeah, I did it. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this looks what's going on. Let's act like you guys didn't see that. I just don't know how I feel about this outfit. Dust. That's crazy.
Wow, very peaceful. It smells so good. What the hell is that?
Hobby Lobby music.
Very sad. Like Winnie's song.
Okay, now we got our blue light glasses on, which means we're gonna be on the laptop for a little bit. I feel like the next thing on getting your life together is just planning everything that you're gonna do. And tomorrow I want to actually like be productive, wake up early. You guys, it is currently 7:54, about to be 8. I want to go on a walk. That's why I woke up early. Like I said, I did my makeup already, just like got ready. I just have to pick an outfit, but before that I want to make my drink that I made yesterday, which I didn't vlog yesterday because I was down bad when I woke up that morning. I was with the worst cramps and I just like couldn't vlog, so I just took it slow and it was just a restful day. I still did some stuff. I put my clothes away, went through all my clothes to see like what I wanted to keep and what I didn't, made some dinner, so I still was pretty productive but also restful. A little bit of raw on the couch. Anyways, right now I'm gonna make my drink like I said. Ever since we went to Dutch Bros, I've been thinking about that Christmas morning chai that I tried. So good. So I made it yesterday and it wasn't like perfect, but it's still really good. I don't have like the candy cane toppings, so we're gonna do cinnamon toppings, and we're gonna use a plastic cup. Don't hate me on this, I'm just using a plastic cup when I go out, because every time I bring these glass cups, which is what I usually use, I keep them in the car and then they just sit there in the car, and this I can just like easily throw away, but I don't use this every time, so I know plastic is bad. But I got these on Amazon. They're just like the cups that you get at literally a coffee shop you can sip it from. Okay, so here's what you're gonna need to make this chai if you're interested. First off, your choice of milk. I just use whole milk, that's just what we have. And then I use this chai. I love this chai. You can also make chai with like tea, vanilla syrup, which I'll show you guys. I don't usually measure, but I guess we'll just go through this with measurements so it's more accurate. So for the chai, I put that in first. So we're gonna do 1 cup of this chai and I'm just gonna pour that in. Wait, I saw a TikTok on the measurements because I eyeball everything and I don't know how to share this to you guys, but I don't usually put this much. This is a lot. Since there's a lot of ice, I think that's why a lot came out like that much. I just add a little bit of milk, like just enough for the cold foam. That's it for this part. We're gonna put this to the side. Now for the cold foam, we're gonna add the syrup, just a little bit, like about that much. And then we're gonna put a little bit of the heavy whipping cream, the milk, so about that much. And then you're just gonna want to froth it with this frother. I got this one from Amazon. And you basically just do this until it's like super creamy, just like the ones that you get at like Starbucks. Okay, so now here's our cold foam. Now we're just gonna put it on the top, and this is like super pink. The camera's really not picking it up, but it's super pink. I think I put way too much syrup. Just a little sprinkle on top. Basically for the outfit, I'm thinking these white shorts and then this vest, which is super cute. I haven't worn a vest before, like ever. I'm really excited to wear this. I got it recently on TikTok shop. And these shorts are from Aerie. I stuck at like telling you guys. And then this bodysuit is from Aritzia. It's the TNA. And yes, I'm gonna wear a bodysuit because I want to wear like the white long sleeve, but I don't have any like gym type clothing that's long sleeve. So we're just gonna go with this. You won't even be able to tell because the vest covers it. So anyways, that's the outfit. Now I'm gonna change. This is just one of those outfits that you just need to like trust the process, because like what's going on right now, don't know. Ooh, it's actually so cute. Straight out of my Pinterest board. Like guys, okay, you can see my outfit more. These would look so good with it because it's like a brown. Like this is actually something that would look good, but the walk gets so dirty and I just don't want this to get dirty, especially because I just got it. Okay, I don't know if I like this. Obviously you're supposed to wear it with some socks. I'm obviously gonna wear it with some socks, but you guys watch my 5 a.m. morning routine, then you guys know that my curtain broke and Caleb actually fixed it for me. So now we can get ready in the morning without everybody looking at me in the morning. That's really nice. Okay, let's go. Made it to a trail that we don't usually go, but that's because the other trail had a lot of people in it, and then Winnie's not just like good with other people, so we're just deciding to go to this different trail that we've never been on, but it looks really nice. And I still got my drink. I am such a slow sipper. Mel just cries so much. We're gonna leave her. We're not leaving you. We've been walking for about 20 minutes now, and I think we're gonna head back. It's a really nice day out. It's not like super sunny, and it's like there's breeze. It feels so nice, and it's actually gonna get colder next week, so I'm really excited about that because it's just been really hot in Florida. Also, this is your sign to just like go on a walk. It's literally so nice, especially during this time before the winter time. It's like fall season still, and you can see the fall leaves if you live somewhere that has like fall leaves. Here we obviously don't have it because we live in Florida, but we get it like way back into like January. I saw a couple, but there's not a lot. This outfit was definitely the best option for me to wear because I feel like not sweaty, not hot, not cold either. So I'm glad I wore shorts with it. But yeah, this trail is not that bad. I love the trees on this trail. It's literally so pretty. So it was really nice going to a different trail. This trail gives like winter / Halloween spooky vibes. I don't know. The trees just look like they're from a Halloween movie. I just made the bed. I forgot to make it before we left, and I feel like making the bed is such an important step in the morning because that will keep you productive. If it's all messy, then you're just gonna go back into bed, and that's what I would probably do if I didn't make it just now. So the room feels a lot better and a lot cleaner somehow, literally just making the bed. Anyways, now we're just gonna go shower. Okay, so now it's time to shower. Literally the best part of the day. I like to light a candle every time I'm gonna do an everything shower. It just makes it even more cozy. I have this one from Home Goods. It's called the Sea Breeze. I love it. Guys, it's so gloomy out. It's time to do the nails finally, but I'm trying to decide if I want to do red with polka dot or this one right here where it's like polka dots and then some French tip and all the nails are different. But I do have French tip on and I don't really want to do French tip again, maybe for my trip that's coming up soon. I've had these on for literally like 3 weeks now, so the retention has been good. So I think I'm gonna go with the red polka dot nails for all of them. I'm really excited because I got a new nail polish color called Scarlet Dreams by D&D. Okay, here's the setup of how everything looks because it's so important just to like have everything out, especially because it's just easier instead of reaching into your drawer and like grabbing everything. So I have everything I'm going to use here. I have my nail dehydrator, cuticle oil, a bond, nail glue, the 2 colors I'm going to be using, which the white is this French white that I use for French tips, but I don't have like a white nail polish, so this is just what I use. And then this is the red base and top coat, and then all my tools over here, some acetone in this little thing, and of course my towel because I do not want my vanity getting all messed up. The nails I'm going to be using, the nail drill, my nail inspo, and then obviously my UV light, and that's everything. Oh, and then also this little UV lamp to like cure all the nails, and that's everything that's on my vanity. I just feel like I work best like this when everything's so much more organized and I could just like work quicker. So yeah, that's my setup. Now let's sit here for literally 4 hours for some mid nails. Also, the time right now is 1:50, just an update because I'm gonna show you guys how long this takes. Is 5:14 and I am finally done with doing my nails. Like, I'm so tired, but they turned out so cute. I actually love the red so much, but I know I'm gonna get tired of it, so I'm really excited to do next time French tip with the red. But yeah, I love the polka dots. Took me a really long time, but here's an up close of them. They look so good. I'm obsessed. I definitely recommend this red. It's so pretty.